simple 3-step setup. Enables drones to quickly engage in disaster relief work. Simply outline the building perimeter and input the altitude, and the system will automatically calculate the flight path. Press auto deployment. The drone autonomously takes off without requiring manual control. This system is based on PilotGaea's independently developed 3D map technology, providing a highly realistic 3D visualization interface, mirroring the actual environment. This intuitive interface enables users to easily comprehend the drone's flight path, surrounding obstacles, and potential risks, significantly enhancing operational efficiency. The drone adheres strictly to the system-generated flight path, executing autonomous flight with multi-drone coordination. It ensures a safe distance between each drone and accurately avoids obstacles like buildings, automatically navigating to the deployment points without any manual intervention. Once the drone reaches the designated location, the system allows real-time footage from each deployment point to be accessed on demand, providing commanders with the most comprehensive visual information to effectively enhance the efficiency and accuracy of decision-making. The system's exclusive 3D map technology makes drone deployment easier than ever. Users simply select the target area on the map, allowing drones to be precisely deployed to the designated location, achieving high precision and high-efficiency mission execution. The system automatically adjusts the gimbal angle to obtain the optimal image, significantly improving operational efficiency. To adapt to rapidly changing situations, the deployment positions of each drone can be adjusted at any time. Drones capture images, coordinates, and orientation data from the scene, sharing this information in real time to enable collaborative rescue missions. The rescue drone receives diverse information such as images, coordinates, and orientation, autonomously plans its flight path, and executes the rescue mission. The drone autonomously lands at the designated deployment point, using AI vision in precise landing, without manual intervention, ensuring safe delivery of supplies. After each phase of the mission is completed, the drones initiate a one-click return, autonomously navigating and landing without pilot intervention. With advanced flight path planning and obstacle avoidance technology, multiple drones can achieve fully autonomous flight, coordinating with each other to ensure safe and efficient mission execution in complex urban environments. The application of the drone as first responder, DFR, program injects new momentum into modern firefighting and rescue operations. With one-click automated deployment and multi-drone coordination, firefighters can rapidly assess disaster scenes, make informed decisions, and execute effective rescue missions. PilotGaea. Innovation without boundaries.